This video was taken on January the 2nd, 2021 in a little snow episode that we had in Bella Vista. It was beautiful big flakes for a period of maybe half an hour, and then it generally dissipated away. While you can see in the background area some of the tree limbs actually collected some snow. The ground was warm enough that it didn't do anything, but it was gorgeous, and I thought that it was particularly attractive since the birds were just feeding like crazy because they were hungry. This is one of their favorite foods right here. This is oiled black sunflower seeds. The birds love it, as do the squirrels, but this is a squirrel-proof feeder which keeps the squirrels out, although I still do feed them, just at a different location. And I have basically two kinds of birds that I've isolated today. This bird appears to be a tufted titmouse, but I'm not absolutely sure of that. So if anybody wants to correct me, that's fine too. The small birds with the black trimmings on their head appear to be Carolina chickadees. If I'm wrong, correct me. Northwest Arkansas, Bella Vista, great place to live. Yes, it is. So this is Northwest Arkansas. Isn't it great? Isn't it great to live in Arkansas? I think it is. Yes, I do. I think it's a wonderful place.